Wow. I don't even know what to say. I'm super happy, the chief. He speak English? He understand English?
Yes.
Yes? Ah, wow. It was my dream. Now my dream is to become true, really. Because I'm a big fan of different rocks since many, many years. I went to Artigas on the border with Brazil. I mined Ametista. I mined Agate. In Armenia, I'm going to Mexico for Agates.
Chivor.
But this for me was, I couldn't even ever imagine that I can able to find this myself. So I'm the happiest person in the world. Thank you very much. Muchas gracias from Putin and Russia.
Ya, otra ya.
Yeah.
Estas que están bonitas, están bonitas. Muy bonito.
¿Tienen algo para eso?
Claro, no sé, para unos 10.000.